Howdy, y'all. Thank you for subscribing and following the upcoming adventures of Rooster Cogburn, Pappy, and Shine on YouTube through shineseyes@gmail.com. Please note this disclaimer for language and total disregard for common sense while we do our final weight test before heading to the Gulf of Mexico with no life jackets and helping other people that's learning how to kayak get a grip on things. Y'all follow along. I like it, man. We're on the lower New River at Gully Bridge at the confluence of the New River and the Gully Rivers to create the Kanawha. This is Brandon's camp. The Kanawha Falls, about a half mile downriver, is where we're going to begin our trip to the Gulf of Mexico. Our destination is Powhatan, Louisiana.
Running good, brother. Yeah. They wait for maneuver. Got that. How is the car? Hell yeah. You take the full off. Man. Yeah, you're running good, dude. We're sleeping better than 10 miles fucking hour out there. I might want to find out later. I feel like it's not late. I feel like it's not late. I know you got to be out. It's fun today. You know, in that motor. Well, I can swing. Hey, I can swing 15 pounds in the direction. What? Yeah, I'll be sitting on it. Yeah. No, but just wait. Well, fuck, I'm sitting on 7 pounds. We throw another 2.5 gallons of gas. Yeah.
My clothes might weigh another 5.
That's back there, man. I don't think it's gonna hold you back. You're still cleaning good.
Yeah.
I swear I don't believe it.
We got honors on it.
I believe it's doing good, man.
Fucking ran most of it, see?
Oh, he don't want you to do that. Hell, if you're the captain and he's the target, I ain't got much to say in the matter. You might throw me off the boat. Oh shit.
I'm gonna.
I knew I wouldn't trust him.
Yes, I can stand up to that. So
Yeah, you can ride whitewater now.
you think so?
Hell yeah.
He just
Everything
he
ain't
just
hard.
prepared you, man.
It's just like a one-man canoe.
Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to catch the launch on June the 15th, 2021. We'll be seeing y'all, man.